Want to know how to trigger or guaranteed additional attacks in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, check the unit's passive skill. Some units have built-in additional attacks, and these are the strongest because they don't rely on RNG. Next up, just simply look for equipments and hidden potential. The equipments and hidden potential and the server slot is where you add additional attack boost. Or level 5 or level 6 silver additional can completely change a unit's performance and it's a game changer. Third, pair units with linked partners that activate prepared for battle, fierce battle or GT. These boost KI so your unit supers more often, which increases additional chances. Finally, certain support units give team-wide additional attack boss. If you stack these effects together, you can build a setup where additional supers happen almost every single turn. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.